Hello team, let me discuss to you yung loyalty membership para maintindihan ninyong gusto kung how you can benefit from this. Just remember, napakaraming perks ng becoming a loyal member. You know, they say it pays to become a loyal member. This explains it fully. Bago kayo mag-join sa membership, sa pangalan nito, sa business, you gotta remember, maraming ways to make money. And one way is by earning commission. Hindi kayo magko-commission through the team volume or yung binary unless you're a loyal member. Kasi, yan, tulungan yan eh. Dapat kasama ka sa membership, hindi ka lang yung pasulpot-sulpot na tumutulong. Kaya that's their way na makontrol those people who are helping and who are not, or nagko-contribute sa company. So you earn commission and you keep your sales volume pag naka-loyalty membership ka. No. Next, meron ka ring Apple App Pro na 5. So kung naka-executive pack ka, libre yan monthly, you don't have to buy. Meron ka ring 512 gig na cloud. Ito yung online wireless hard drive na na-access mo yung mga files mo wirelessly kahit nasaan ka by just entering your password. Alright? Yan ang mga value. Another one is itong napaka-importante, yung protection plan for Hilo and your Infolio. Ngayon, wala pa kayong Infolio, so let's focus on your Hilo. Pag ito nasira, parang yung bumper-to-bumper na insurance sa mga kotse, parang ganon, except sa kotse, nire-repair nila. Ngayon, ito sa protection plan, 90% of the time, ipapadala mo, check nila kung sira. Hindi na nila nire-repair. At bibigyan ka na ng bago, tapos tsaka nila i-repair yung natirang product. Kaya, most of the time, kung simple lang naman na scratch, nasira yung wristband, they might even just give you what I call it, na bagong wristband. Or, kung dito nasira, bigyan ka na lang ng bago. Okay? Bagong info. Because it's easier for them. It's also mas cheaper also. Mas cheap din sa kanila na bigyan ka na lang ng bago kaysa repair pa kasi of manpower. Tapos na ang tagal na i-repair. So, yan ang advantage. Second, yung $59 mo, binibigyan ka ng 75 loyalty points, which is in 12 months is equivalent to $900. Naglagay ka lang ng 708. Okay? Yan lang ang investment mo, 708. Ngayon, kumikita ka ng bibigyan kanila ng $900. So, kumita ka na. Kasi yon pwede mong pambili ng Hilo o kaya pambili mo nitong Infolio. Yung total niyan, halos konti na lang idadagdag mo. Alright? $319, $600. So, parang $19, $20 na idadagdag mo. May bago ka ng Hilo, may bago ka pang Infolio. Alright? Tapos, itong pinakamaganda. Wala kang ginawa, maski hindi ka gumawa ngayong week na to, or month na to, hindi ka nakabenta, yung team commission volume ninyo, kasali ka pa rin kasi you're making 1% every month ng team volume commission. Ito parang piggy bank. Binibigay ng company for just being a loyal member. Parang nagko-contribute ka, nagtumutulong ka, nagbibigay ka ng kahit paano because you're paying in. Babalik ng 1% sa inyo. Kaya itong iisipin nyo, your total value, ito siya, you get $1,400 plus in loyalty box, ang investment mo lang is $708. Alright? So, kumita ka na just being a loyal member. Hindi pa natin pinag-uusapan yung mga commission mong makukuha, ha? Alright? Tapos ito pa, this is the biggest advantage. Yung binayad mong $59, bumabalik sa iyo yung $6. Tapos nakakakuha ka pa ng 30 SB points. Okay? Yung SB points na yon, yan yung maintenance mo for kung hindi ka man nakabenta this week, nakakakuha ka pa rin ng commission. Lalo kung team developer ka na hindi ka man makabenta, At least yung generation income mo, kumikita ka pa rin, may nakukuha ka pa rin. Tapos, here's the biggest pa. Pag nakabenta ka ng loyalty membership, you get $6 pa. So, lahat ng binibenta mo, kumikita ka just by being a loyal member. Tapos, lahat ng possible way na magkaka-commission sa company, you get it. So, please understand, napaka-importante nito. Kung hindi kayo magiging loyal member, hindi kayo magko-commission. Kasi, you have to buy in, you have to help out para kumita yung team ninyo. So, pag walang loyal membership, fast track ka lang. Doon ka lang sa 10% commission. Some people are okay with that, alright? Pero I'm telling you, you're going to miss out a lot kasi nilagay mong pera, bumabalik na sa'yo eh. Plus, the fact na ito na lang earn 1% ng total volume, para kang nagdeposito. Alright? Na may possibility na kumita ka ng $10 a month or $1,000 a month. So, in 1 year, in a way, kumikita ka. Napalitan naman yung $59 mo, pwede mong pambili ng bagong hilo na pwede mong ibenta or pwede mong gamitin. Free upgrade ka na. Yung telepono na lang, lalo kung nagta-travel kayo. Android-based pala to. Hindi ka na kailangan bumili ng bagong telepono. Alright? Yearly, may bago kang telepono just through this. Para kang nag-iipon for all this. Kaya yung loyalty nila, gusto nila yan para merong naglo-loyal purchaser sa product nila. Kaya ang laki-laki talaga ng advantage, not only for you, but also for the company. Kaya halos ng mga malalaking company, even department stores and everything, they offer protection plan and loyalty membership kasi it pays to be loyal. Maganda rin na may loyal members sila kasi may nagpa-patronize ng product nila. So you guys have any questions so far? Kung wala na, let me know, shoot me an email kung meron pa kayong mga question. Alright?